Hey guys, what is going on? My name is Michael. This is another video of mine if you haven't noticed yet. Today we want to be talking about how to use Facebook and Facebook ads for your video marketing agency to get more clients and remarket to existing clients, okay? Before we get into it, I want to announce that we got a new giveaway going on. I will give away two video marketing agency programs, two video marketing agency courses for you guys. All you have to do is make sure that you're subscribed to this channel right here. Plus, go down in the comment section and leave a nice comment. In the next video, I will use the random comment picker tool to actually pick one of the comments, or two of the comments actually, and announce the winners in the next video, okay? So that's how it's gonna be done. And yeah, enjoy this video right here. Okay guys, as you can see right here, we're on our official page right here for Extreme Social, our agency. This is not exclusively a video marketing agency. This is a full service agency basically. We also do video marketing and stuff, social media marketing in general, also SEO and stuff. But as you can see right here, and by the way, in the video marketing agency program, I also teach you exactly how to get a site like this right here, okay? And how to be able to create your own site that looks different, and it's very easy to customize and stuff like this, okay? What we do right here is, and what you see, we will first start with remarketing in this video, okay? If you have a website, and you don't need a website to run an agency at all, okay? Just recommended, but you don't really need one, okay? If you have a website, you gotta make sure that you have a Facebook pixel installed on your actual agency website. And the way you check if this is the case is by using this plugin right here for Google Chrome, for example, called Facebook Pixel Helper, okay? And this Pixel Helper shows you exactly which Facebook Pixel ID, which Facebook pixel is installed on your actual page. Without this pixel, nothing is possible because Facebook can't track the actual visitors on your website, okay? So you gotta make sure that this is the first thing you do on your video marketing agency website right here, is to put the pixel on the page, okay? So and how you do this, when you are in your Facebook Ads Manager, all you do is you go to the search bar and type in pixel, right? You type in pixel, and there's going to be a page that is opening right here. And you can see that you have specific options right here, but when you go to details and click set up, you have a few options to set it up, right? So for example, you could use plugins or tag managers right here on your page, or you could simply manually install the code yourself. They will tell you where to put the code, like in your HTML after the head tag, right before the closing head tag, and you just copy this code, this pixel, and put it on your site, okay? Or another option is also to simply mail it to your developer if you have a developer, which most of you guys won't have, but that's also an option right here. But this is a really easy, simple task to do, nothing complicated at all. It's just a requirement. You have to do this in order to remarket to specific people on your agency side, okay? Let's just pretend that you're running your agency like I teach you in the video marketing agency program, right? You're running your agency, right? And you get people to your agency site. Like for example, I teach you one method where you go out there and send out massive amounts of emails and also link them to one of your landing pages where you capture leads and stuff, or you run Facebook ads to capture leads directly from cold traffic, for example. All of these visitors will be saved in your remarketing audience, and you can later on follow up on them with other, for example, blog posts or other advertisements for services and stuff, okay? And even later on videos and stuff like this, okay? So this is all really good stuff right here, okay? And you gotta make sure that you understand how this works, right? What I also want to show you in this video, because there's two different forms of ads when it comes to Facebook ads, right? When you're running an agency, like a video marketing agency, for example, right? And you're using Facebook ads, right here, there's remarketing and cold traffic, right? So the thing is, if you're new into the agency thing, right, and this is the first online business that you start, which is the case in most of you, for most of you guys, you will only be able to start with cold traffic. Okay, you will only be able to start with cold traffic, and that's good. That's still easy to do with the things that we do right here, because all you have to do is you have to go to Facebook and you have to create an ad targeting the specific areas that you want to get businesses to pay you $1,000 to $2,000 per month, and you target them with Facebook ads, right? So for example, you have plumbers, right? We talk a lot about plumbers in the video marketing agency because it's just a good niche to get, a good industry to get into, because their average service cost is very, very high, like $300 to $400. That's why you can charge large commissions and also large retainers for your services for them, okay? So what you do is you create an ad on Facebook targeting these plumbers, okay? And I can show you right now, I can show you real quick. I can't show you like a fully detailed ad because I would have to create the own ad creative, the picture and whatnot, but I will guide you through this real quick on how to do this, okay? More about this stuff is in the video marketing agency, of course, but I will guide you through this stuff, okay? So for example, right here, when you create a Facebook ad, you have specific things that you can choose from, right? Awareness, consideration, conversion. I will not go through all of this stuff right now. It's pretty easy, pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Let's just pretend we have a new agency. We set up the whole site, which again, you don't need a website to do this, but let's just pretend we are doing this, right? We have a site like this. We have, for example, also a landing page, a capture page, right? And we want to send traffic to the site, right? For example, we want to get plumbers in Reno, Nevada, right? That's what we want to do. So we get the page, and what we do is we drive traffic conversions, right? We use the conversion option right here to send traffic so we can see exactly how much we're paying for a lead, right? So the conversion would, for example, be leads, right? Leads, capture page 1 or whatever capture page you have. And then you would click continue, right? And what you would then do is you would simply choose the conversion right here. You would simply choose the conversion right here. I got a different one right here, of course, right now. But then you would scroll down, and then you want to choose exactly which country that you're in, or basically which country or state or city that you want to target. For example, this would be Reno, Nevada, for our example right here. And then you can put the radius right here. 25 miles should be okay. And age would probably be, in most cases with a video marketing agency or whatever, you should do 30 to like 65. That's a good age right here. And first of all, when you're still testing and stuff, you want to go as broad as possible first, okay? Not too broad, but also not too not too detailed, okay? So when we, for example, choose man or women right here, we want to keep it like all first, okay? And then you want to select languages, of course, English. So what's really important for your first ad though would be that you make sure that if you want to target plumbers, we want to make sure that plumbers see our ad, right? That's the most important thing, right? Location and who they are. They're plumbers, right? That's the most important thing. So we go to detailed targeting and we just type in, Facebook makes it really easy, you know? Facebook makes it really easy. We just type in plumber, right? And what pops up? Interest, plumber, but that's not what we need. We need job titles, right? So job titles, plumber apprentice, master plumber, plumber supervisor, plumber assistant. These are all people, if they see our ad, they could be interested. A plumber assistant could be interested, and also a master plumber could also be interested in a service for plumbers, right? So for example, the assistant who's working for the plumber, they will tell the plumber about the service, okay? That's for sure. Okay, so what we will do then is we want to choose specific. I cannot go through all of the stuff right now, but we will basically just choose Facebook. We were not going to do Instagram right now because most of these guys are not on Instagram. Audience network also not. It's kind of too risky for a cold ad for our first ad. Okay, and then we click bomb, click go right here. First of all devices, yes, but just target Facebook because most of you guys are just on Facebook, not on Instagram and stuff, okay? And then we would go on and then we would create our own first ad right here, okay? I will have a whole section in the video marketing agency program on how to create ads right here. And what you guys want to do with this ad right here is, there's way too, I cannot go through this right now, but there's so many different ways on how to create an ad that targets plumbers only. So what you know is, you know the location, you know the types of people you want to target, and you know what your goal is. Your goal, you always have, in marketing, you always need a goal, right? The goal right here is to get people to see the ad. And by the way, the ad doesn't have to be pretty. It never has to be pretty. All it has to do is it has to convert, meaning when people, in this case plumbers, see the ad, you need to make sure that they want to click on the ad to get to your page, because this is direct response marketing. This is not brand awareness. This is direct response marketing, okay? That they click the ad, go to your page and fill out the form. That's all you need, right? That's all you need to get leads, right? That's all you need. And then you can later on remarket them or retarget them on with Facebook ads with different stuff, okay? So you can follow up. And you also got to be a little bit creative with this. And you also got to be a little bit creative with this stuff, guys. Don't just make an ad saying, hey plumber, come to my site, fill this out, blah, blah, blah. What you want to do is, for example, there's many different ways to do it. So for example, you can get a video review, that just comes to my mind right now. You can get a video review, put it on a page of a plumber who increased his revenue, and you can make an ad through your service. Of course, you can make an ad, very big headline saying, plumber in Reno, Nevada, because that's where you target them right now. In Reno, increased his revenue by 1,000% or something like this. Okay, bam, 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 and then you make a big headline. You make either a video or a picture, whatever, that shows a happy plumber or whatever. And then you link to the page. This is just an example right now. There's thousands of different ways that you can do this, right? This is just a creative example that I bring right now, right on top of my head right here, okay? Yeah, this is basically how it's done. Like, you can do this. You can do this in any area possible, and I will go through this in the video marketing agency program. I mean, you can do this in each and every country, right? We got people right now in the video marketing agency. We had one guy from Pakistan. I think he's literally running a video marketing agency right now in Pakistan, okay? Then we got people from all around the world doing this stuff right now, okay? But yeah, it's still not many people are doing it, considering the amount of people that are living in the world, okay? But yeah, there's a lot of people right now in the video marketing agency program already. If you're interested in how all of this stuff works, there's a link in the description linking to a free live webinar that I'm hosting every day, guys. And yeah, be sure to check this out. And I hope you liked the video. As always, be sure to like and subscribe. And subscribe and leave a comment if you want to take part in the giveaway for the video marketing agency program. I will reveal the winners in the next video. And yeah, have a great day, guys. And be sure to see you guys soon.